will explain about teaching vocabulary in Title 2. Vocabulary. Background of vocabulary. Vocabulary refers to the collection of words that a person knows as used in communication. It encompasses both spoken and written language, and it is essential for understanding, expressing, thought, and engaging in meaningful conversation. So, vocabulary is a word that personal and is used in communication. Next is vocabulary skill. Vocabulary skill refers to the ability to understand, use, and remember words effectively in different contexts. These skills are essential for language comprehension and communication, as they allow individuals to express themselves clearly and understand others accurately. And the next is teaching method. There is a teaching method for vocabulary skill. Teaching vocabulary skill through games is an effective method to make learning enjoyable, interactive, and memorable. This approach engages students in activities that motivate them to learn while playing, making it easier for them to remember new vocabulary. Okay, next is improving student vocabulary skill with games. Improving vocabulary skill with games make learning fun and engaging. Games help students remember word better because they actively use and interact with the vocabulary. In teaching using games, I choose word games called Hotseat. This activity encourages participation, creativity, and teamwork, making it easier for students to learn and retain new words. Okay, the step for teaching in class using the Hotseat games. Step 1 is preparation. Prepare a list of vocabulary words to be learned based on the topic or lesson theme. Second is divide students into two or more groups to create a competitive atmosphere. The next step is explain the rules. Explain that one student from each group will sit in the hot seat facing away from the board. Next is the teacher will write a word on the board and team member must give clue to the student in the hot seat so they can guess the word. Next is clues can include synonym, antonym, a definition, or an example. Sentence where the word itself cannot be mentioned directly. Uh, the next step is implementation. Set a time limit for each word, example 30 seconds or 1 minute. Next, start the game. The student in the hot seat try to guess the word based on their team choose. Clue. Next, word point for each correct answer. The next step, the last step, evaluation and discussion. After the game discuss the meaning of the word used to answer student understand. The next student can be asked to create sentence using the vocabulary they have learned. Okay, next is media. There are many media that can be used for the teaching model using the concept games. But I choose to use the whiteboard, which is practical and more flexible. Okay, advantage of teaching using the hot seat games and whiteboard media. First, increase student engagement. This game actively involves students both as participants in the hot seat and as clue The learning atmosphere becomes more fun and interactive. Second, improve language skills. Students learn to give description, synonym, or explanation of vocabulary which enhance speaking and critical thinking skills. Third, easy to implement. Using a whiteboard as a medium doesn't require complicated preparation or engagement or equipment. It can be used in classroom with both large and small number of students. Okay, for flexibility. Work can be easily changed or added during the games without needing additional tools. Okay, the last allow cost. Using a whiteboard doesn't incur additionally costs like technology or a vocabulary card. This is a disadvantage of teaching using the hot seat games and whiteboard media. First, limited visual. A whiteboard only provide text as a visual medium, so a student with a visual learning style may need additional image or illustration to understand certain word. Second, dependence on the teacher. The teacher needs to be actively writing to the word and manage the time, which can take more attention and time compared to using automated media. Third, not ideal for large classes. In class with a very large number of students, it may be difficult to organize the game so that all students can participation equally. Third, a time constraint. Writing words manually on the board takes time, which can distort the duration of the games. The last is lack of technology. In the digital age, might find the games less engaging compared to using technology. The interactive screen or projector. Okay, the last is conclusion. Using the hot seat games with a whiteboard as the medium offers several benefits such as increasing student engagement, improving language skill, and being easy to implement with low cost. It also provides flexibility in adapting the games during a lesson. However, there are limitations such as the reliance on the teacher for writing words, limited visual appeal, and challenge in large classroom. To address this challenge, creative solutions like using colors, symbols, or combining additional media can enhance the effectiveness of the games. Overall, this method remains a practical and engaging tool for vocabulary learning, especially in small or more manageable classroom. Okay, are you ready, guys? Next video is about implementation, uh, teaching vocabulary skill with skill. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, good morning, students. Good morning. How are you today? Fine. Okay, today we are going to learn about homework. Before we start our lesson, let us begin with a pray together. Let's start. Finish. Okay, do you know about hobbies? No. Okay. Hobby is something you like to do in your free time. For example, my hobby is reading. My hobby is drawing. Okay. To learn about types of hobby, let's start with liking games. The name of the game is hot seat. Let's divide into two teams. Jadi kita bagi kelompoknya. Jadi kita bagi menjadi dua kelompok. Kan bagi kelompoknya duduknya ini. Dibagi dua duduknya. Betul ini ya. Betul ada yang instruction. Place a chair at the front of the classroom, pushing away from the board. Second, each team select one member to sit in the hot seat. This person cannot see the board. Next, teacher write a copy below the board. The team members give go to help their teammates guess the word. Rules: they cannot say the word directly or use any part of it. Instead, they can describe the activity, give example, or act it out in English. Jadi kalian hanya boleh menyebutkan deskripsinya, bukan langsung katanya. The player in the hot seat must guess the word within a time limit 1 minute. After a word is guessed or time runs out, another player from opposing team takes a turn in the hot seat. Jadi nanti kan ada, maksudnya boleh bergantian gitu. Setelah pemain pertama nanti berhasil menjawab, gantian player kedua. Teams get 1 point for each correct guess. Continue until all students have had a chance or the time for the game is up. The team with the most point wins. Jadi nanti yang bisa jawab semua menang. Nanti ada yang Oke. Mari kita mulai. Siapa yang mau duluan?
It's all about vocabulary, sentence. You can do it in the library.
What is the answer?
Reading.
Yes! Correct! Yes!
Good. So we have many categories. It's a water sport.
The answer?
Swimming.
Yes! Please, when students sit on in front of board, please. Okay, we started with implementation.
Okay, what we do usually, what do we usually do with the plants?
Watering flower. Watering flower.
Watering.
Flower.
What's the answer? Gardening. Yes, okay, next. What's on? Happiness or lack? Okay, you can make a sketch with history.
Okay. You using pencil to make it.
Answer is
Drawing. Ini aku ngambil nih out yang mana?
Using
Ready, start.
Sport that use ball.
In stadium.
football. Playing football.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's all material today. Thank you so much, students. Bye-bye.
Baik, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jadi di sini saya akan menyampaikan kritik dan saran terkait metode dan media serta pengajaran yang telah saya lakukan pada video sebelumnya. Nah, untuk kritik dan saran pada diri saya sendiri yaitu untuk dari segi presentasinya itu sudah lumayan, cuma kekurangannya yaitu saya belum terlalu fasih dalam menggunakan bahasa Inggris sehingga masih banyak kesalahan saat berbicara bahasa Inggris dan masih ada juga beberapa kebingungan dalam menyampaikan materi dalam bahasa Inggris. Kemudian untuk pengajarannya lumayan sudah cukup. Lagi-lagi kekurangan ada pada diri saya yaitu belum bisa terlalu mengkondisikan kelas dengan sangat baik. Jadi untuk sarannya bisa ditingkatkan lagi dari berbahasa Inggrisnya dan pengajarannya, serta untuk medianya karena saya menggunakan media papan tulis, jadi memang memiliki kekurangan yaitu siswa sendiri belum bisa siswa akan kesulitan untuk memvisualkan vocabulary-nya. Jadi untuk ditingkatkan juga media pengajarannya. Terima kasih.
Sudah effort sekali memberikan reward kepada mahasiswanya, sudah effort sekali.
Kesan-kesan saya pada metodenya Mbak Isna itu menurut saya itu sangat bagus, sangat mudah dimengerti. Namun ya untuk vocabulary-nya mungkin bisa ditambah, mungkinnya bisa lebih divariasi biar lebih seru. Terima kasih.
Oke, kesan dan pesan dari metode pembelajarannya Mbak Isna. Menurut saya tadi kan juga ada gamesnya ya, itu juga sangat menarik dan juga menurut saya lumayan efektif ya untuk mengasah vocabulary dari siswa itu sendiri. Jadi menurut saya oke.
Ya, terima kasih untuk Mbak Isna atas pemaparan materinya, sangat mudah dipahami. Mungkin untuk kritik untuk pesannya mungkin bisa lebih ditingkatkan lagi agar para siswa itu lebih memahami secara menyeluruh.
Halo, baik, di sini saya akan mereview atau memberikan kesan dan pesan kepada Mbak Isna tentang metode pengajaran
Vocabulary.
Mungkin dari saya mungkin Mbak Isna lebih prepare lagi tentang materi tersebut. Kalau untuk seluruhnya sih sudah bagus, cuma kurang prepare aja gitu. Sudah. Semangat ya.
Iya.
Oke, kritik dan sarannya untuk pembelajaran dari Mbak Isna tadi yaitu untuk metodenya itu sangat bagus, sangat efektif dan memberi kesan semangat untuk siswa, kayak nggak bosan. Belajar vocab kan biasanya bosan kan, tapi itu diselingi dengan permainan kayak tadi itu jadinya seru seperti itu.
Oke, terima kasih.